You might be trying to figure out or trying to fix the ability of going through and setting GIFs on Instagram. Now you can see for some people out there, you may be seeing that they have that feature, but you may not have that feature. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing though is making your way over to your DMs or making your way over to your comment section. Go to some random comment section or some random DM and take a look at the right side of that message icon. If there is basically some sort of text that says GIF on it, then you basically have that feature. Now you can also make your way out basically to a comment section like a video like this or a photo. Go back to here and basically see if there's another GIF icon there. If there is, then you basically have that capability. If you do not have much, like basically how I don't have it, what you can do is you can try going through getting out of Instagram like this, and what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your app store. Now this feature is coming out in a rolling basis, so it's not available to everybody just yet. So keep that in mind. It's going to be available to everybody at some point, but maybe it's not this point, so keep that in mind. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram. Basically you want to open up or search Instagram inside your app store. So go ahead, search up Instagram just like this, open up Instagram like that, and see if there's an update available. If it says update here, whether you have an Android or iPhone, make your way over to your Play Store. If it says update here, then go ahead and update your device. That is probably going to be the main way people go ahead and fix this for themselves. So go ahead, update your Instagram application, and that is probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead, basically close out of Instagram just like that. So completely get out of the Instagram application and basically go back into that Instagram app. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and you want to go ahead and make your way back to wherever it was. You can make your way over to your own page or make your way back to your DMs like this and go ahead and see if that issue is fixed. For a lot of people, it might be, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. But like I said, it's coming out on a rolling basis, so you may have to wait a little bit of time. If you travel a little bit, maybe if you go into a different area, maybe it'll just randomly be available there, but that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.